Hello, Dr. Oz. It's nice to see you again. I'm
Same.
Nutritionist Penelope Foskaris, and in my wellness center, we use this amazing red light wellness bed that helps dissipate neuropathy, helps reduce fat, and does head-to-toe skin tightening and reduces visceral fat. Can you please talk about the dangers of visceral fat and steps that can be done to prevent it, or to reduce it, I should say?
Well, Penny, thanks for building that infrastructure. Visceral fat is the #1 cause of inflammation in the body. It's why COVID patients who had visceral fat did so poorly. And visceral just means the organs inside the body. So omental fat's the classic one. The omentum is this big pad. Sounds like momentum, but doesn't give you any. It's this fat pad that slows you down. And it actually, it's biologically active. There's hormones that come out of it. In particular, it'll block the ability of insulin to work and secrete a bunch of hormones that cause inflammation in the body. That causes diabetes, leads to high blood pressure because it squeezes on your kidneys. And it influences how the liver metabolizes cholesterol, so it creates more of the lousy LDL cholesterol. So visceral fat is without question the beer belly that we always talk about. And #1 thing I would address in American healthcare, because it would cut our healthcare costs probably 10–15% right off the bat, maybe twice that much. To deal with it, what I recommend is intermittent fasting, because it makes it easier for most people to do it. Remember, fasting and dieting is a very lonely thing because everyone's going out to have fun with their friends at 5 o'clock. You can't because you're on a diet. So by not eating until 10 and then eating until 6 and then stopping, you can do most of the things you want to do with your friends. You just have to change the hours a little bit. And that's worked well for a lot of my viewers.
And I must tell you that the skin tightening effect that we see with the machine, it's head-to-toe skin tightening, and my skin has gone back to where it was in its 30s. And it's pretty amazing.
Well, you look wonderful.
So thank you.